I am Jasper J. Pakapakdawang. Paano ko narinig tong Waka Waka? Through social media. I heard it from Director Jimenez and Sir Thomas. So ayun, I decided to join and volunteer for Waka Waka. I volunteered for Waka Waka because of three main reasons. First is to promote social awareness and social participation among the youth. Kasi gusto nating ipahiwatig na kailangan nating makilahok sa mga isyong panlipunan din. Hindi lang magfo-focus sa mga celebrities and everything like that. Mga walang kakwenta-kwenta, mga bagay-bagay na yan. And we have to promote our advocacies as a whole in good governance and active youth participation. And at the same time, this is a good way to promote health and fitness also. Because by means of walking, you are also burning a lot of calories. So, ayun. Those are the three things that made me join Waka Waka. In my own opinion, yes, kasi we have also tried to show the youth that we are interested in this type of activities, in this type of social activities. Of course, when they see that one of them is interested with these activities, of course, not all of them, but some will participate in this type of activities also. I'm studying at Divine Word College of Law, Political Science. I have plans to be a lawyer, but in politics, I really don't know. But with or without the position, I will still serve the people. What I want to say to them is that in order for us to create good governance, we have to be actively participating with such activities such as this one, and we have to actively participate as a whole youth, and we have to be aware of what is happening around us. Well, this is my first time to walk from Lawag going to a far place. So, ang isang tumatak sa akin is yung will and determination ng whole team ng Waka Waka to do this thing. So, by saying that yun yung tumatak sa akin ito dahil na-inspire pa ako na makilahok pa sa mga activities na ibang to, and it gave me the opportunity to meet other people and to create new friends. Of course, I would highly recommend that not just the youth but everybody in the community should actively participate in this type of activities, because first and foremost, these are informative drives. You are informed of what you're gonna do. Hindi na yung paulit-ulit pa nasasabihin pa sa'yo and magtatanong ka on that day. You were given a lot of opportunities for you to know. So this is one thing that you could do, and this is one of your responsibilities as a citizen to be informed and to participate in the social activities.